Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can turn off or how you can mute the notification on a Snapchat. In this video I will guide you step by step process how you can mute that annoying messages or notification on a Snapchat. So let's jump to the video. First of all, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now you can see your profile icon at left side on the top. Tap on that. Inside that you can see the setting icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. In that you can see a notification option. Tap on that. Now you can see that all options are toggle on. So turn off all the options. So in this way you can turn off notification of this Snapchat. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.